Hi everyone, today we will learn how to make this beautiful bracelet. For that I am using 4-ply yarn and 3 mm hook. First we will learn how to make this mini roses. For that first we will make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First skip the first chain. In second chain make one single crochet like this. Make one single crochet in second chain. In third chain make 2 half double crochet. This is first half double crochet. This is second half double crochet. In next chain make 3 half double crochet. First, this is second half double crochet. This is third half double crochet. In next chain also make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. In next chain also make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Make one slip stitch. Now make the rose shape and insert the hook in back side and make one chain. Now cut the extra yarn. See, our mini rose is ready. First just give the shape and back side make one knot, 1 or 2 knot like this. See, our beautiful mini rose is ready. Next I will make a leaf. First I will make one magic circle. Next make 3 chains. Skip first chain. In second chain make one single crochet. In third chain make one half double crochet. In magic circle make one slip stitch like this. Our first leaf is ready. For second make 3 chains, skip one. In second chain make one single crochet. In third chain make one half double crochet. In magic circle make one slip stitch. Again make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip one. In second chain make one single crochet. In third chain make one half double crochet. In magic circle make one slip stitch. Here we have made 3 leaves. Next make chain 1 and cut the extra yarn. Our 3 petals mini leaves is ready. Adjust it. Make 1 or 2 knots like this. Our leaves is now ready. Next we will attach this rose with leaves. We can attach with the glue also, or we can attach with this needle also. Here I will attach with this hook. First insert the hook in middle of the leaf. Like this. Drag the yarn outside. Carefully. Now make the 1 or 2 knots. Make like this. I will make 1 more knot because it will hold tight. So see, our rose is ready. Now cut the extra yarn. See, our beautiful mini rose is ready. Here I have made few roses to make the bracelet. According to your hand size, you can increase or decrease the number of the roses. With the help of needle and yarn, I will insert them like this. One by one insert into the yarn like this. I will insert all the petals in yarn, or you can use thread also, thicker thread, or rubber band also. See, here I have inserted 13 roses. This is perfect for my hand. So, and finally I have attached 2 roses as a tassels. You can skip them also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for the watching.